so this won't take long. If you could just navigate to this example table here. So what we have here is basically the same kind of table as what we have here within this sales spreadsheet. So we've got the sales people and they're selling tables. So we've got the salespersons and they are selling tables, chairs, cabinets and TV stands. And we have the figures of the sales. So basically it's the same table except for with this table here we have 3 entries per salesperson. So we have 10 salesperson in total and here they are. So we have the first entry on 8th January 2023. Then the second entry is on the day after that, that is 9th January 2023. And then the 10th January 2023. So the one thing I want to demonstrate is this. Within the example pivot table here, I've already created a small pivot table. So if you just click on this, so I'll just click on here to show you what's going on. We have the salesperson in rows and the net profit in column and the net profit in values. And we have here the sum of net profits in values. Remember, the list of names is much shorter because there's only 10 people this time. But I want to take a note of this person here, Bill Young. Bill Young. He has generated a total net profit of $2,296. Now, if I were to come back to the example table, you will notice that I have actually formatted my whole table into a table from here. And you're probably quite familiar with this much because we have already covered how to format your data into a table in the past tutorials. And basically that's what I've done. And it's totally optional. You don't have to do it, but I have just done it so I can gain access to these filtering drop downs here. But I have actually done this so I can gain these filtering drop downs here. You don't have to do it, but I have just done it so I can gain access to these filtering drop downs here because I want to filter the guy Bill Young. So I'll just click here to unselect everything and I'll click on this Bill select and I'll just select this and I'll just select this Bill Young and click OK. Now what I'm going to do is just scroll over to the right a little bit and I'll put my cell here and I'm going to click on this auto sum here just to quickly add up these three figures. The total has come back as $2,296, which is the same as this total up here. So the point I just want to share with you is that the pivot table is clever enough to understand when you have the same people. You have multiple entries for Bill Young here within your table as we can see right here. So the pivot table system has gone ahead and just added up the total net profit. So that's one little thing that pivot tables can do for you. And of course, that's very useful.